My dear viewers, it is I, Jane Austen, ready to dissect the scandalous liaison between genetics and one's character. Imagine a grand assembly, each gene a guest, gossiping about your deepest, most secret traits. Mr. Dominant Gene struts about like a lord, determined to dictate your every move, however vexing that may be. Meanwhile, Miss Recessive Genes, ever the wallflower, bides her time until the right suitor arrives. Mr. Polite Personality Traits, always courteous, never loud, awaits the perfect genetic arrangement to shine. But oh, Mr. Intelligence! How he requires an entourage of genes to display his brilliance, much like a Regency dandy. Miss Extroversion, that brazen flirt, dances between nature and nurture, never quite committing to either. Even the most genteel of us are not without our faults, Mrs. Bennet's nerves, a genetic gift no one desired. Enter Mr. Twin Studies, causing quite the stir, identical genes, yet personalities as different as Fanny and Mary Crawford. Genetics may play matchmaker, but environment is the scandalous letter left on the drawing room table. Lady Adaptation, ever the meddler, ensures our personalities conform to the shifting demands of society. A gene for wit. Surely, the Austen family was blessed thrice over, though Mr. Collins must have missed that inheritance. Not all is preordained, however. Free will, much like a proper education, may steer one away from folly. Some find genetics as perplexing as Mr. Darcy's character, but beneath the brooding lies undeniable logic. Upbringing cannot be ignored, no gene can rescue poor manners, as Lady Catherine would most heartily agree. Ah, the eternal struggle, nature versus nurture. Both as intertwined as Elizabeth Bennet and Mr. Darcy. Picture Lady Heritability, calculating traits with precision, though never divulging the entirety of her secrets. Even Miss Neuroticism, with her perpetual fretting, finds solace in the excuse of a troublesome gene. Epigenetics enters like a second volume, revising the first with life's varied experiences, for better or worse. It is as though the manuscript of your character undergoes countless edits, some from genetics, others from society. Genetics may deal the cards, but it is in how we play them that one's true character is revealed. A touch of wit, a sprinkle of charm, and perhaps a hint of stubbornness, traits as essential as a well-penned letter. Fret not over your genetic inheritance, dear viewer, for even the most elegant families have their crosses to bear. While genes set the stage, it is our character that must perform the part with dignity and grace. Just as a well-tended garden requires care, so too does a personality require cultivation. We may inherit our traits, but society shapes them into something either admirable or lamentable. In the end, the relationship between genetics and personality is as complex as any Austen romance. Mr. Gene may catch your eye, but it is Lady Experience who secures your affections. Genetics provides the outline, but it is personality that adds the lively, witty dialogue. For more on this delightful interplay between nature and character, indulge in the full article below.